Good morning everyone, this is Asha from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Academy of Technology. Today I will be discussing on special case of route array. We may come across two types of situations while forming the route table. It is difficult to complete the route table from these two situations. The two special cases are the first element of any row of the route array is 0. Second one, all the elements of any row of the route array are 0. So today we'll learn the first type of special case of route array. They have given the characteristic equation of the system and we have to check the stability of the system using the route array. So the equation is s to the power of 5 plus 2s to the power of 4 plus 3s cube plus 6s square plus 2s plus 1 is equal to 0. Since the highest power is s to the power of 5, start writing the route table starting from s to the power of 5, s to the power of 4, s to the power of 3, s square, s to the power of 1 and s to the power of 0. The first two rows of route array can be got by this equation. So starting from the highest power, that is s to the power of 5, it is a odd power. So write the coefficients of all the odd power from this given equation. So it is 1, 3 and 2. So 1, 3 and 2. Second row, write the coefficients of all the even power from this equation, that is 2, 6 and 1. So first row, two rows have been completed. Third row, that is you need to find out the value of B1, B2, B3. B1 value is 2 into 3 minus 6 into 1. So 2 into 3 minus 6 into 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 0. Second is 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 by 2, that is 1.5. Since there is no fourth column, B3 value is 0. So if you observe the first column, the first element of that column is 0. If you encounter a situation like this, then it is a problem of special case of route array. Then substitute s by 1 by x in this characteristic equation. The equation becomes 1 by x to the power of 5 plus 2 by x to the power of 4 plus 3 by x to the power of cube plus 6 by x square, 2 by x plus 1, that will be equal to 0. Take the LCM and rearrange the terms, you will get the equation like this. Now you have to form the route array using this new equation. So similarly as before, write down starting from the highest power 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fill the two rows of the route array using the odd power and the even power. So here it is 1, 6, 2, first row. Second row is 2, 3 and 1. Third row can be got as 2 into 6 minus 3 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 4.5. 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 by 2, that is 1.5. We don't have a fourth column, so value will be equal to 0. X square row can be got as 4.5 into 3 minus 1.5 into 2 by 4.5, that is 2.33. Next is 4.5 into 1 minus 0 into 2 by 4.5, that is 1. X to the power of one row can be got as 2.33 into 1.5 minus 1 into 4.5 by 2.33, that is minus 0.429. Next is 2.33 into 0 minus 0 into 4.5 by 2.33 is 0. We don't have a fourth column, so it is 0. X to the power of 0 is minus 0.429 into 1 minus 0 divided by minus 0.429 is 1. So the other elements are 0 and 0. So if you observe the first column of the Routh table, there is a sign change from positive to negative, again from negative to positive. So 2 times the sign has changed. So therefore the system is said to be unstable.